Okay, y'all, I decided we're going to do the record player. Hey, send Blue Diamond here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello, hello. Glad you're here. We are going to build these Block Tech. We're going to do the retro record player. Okay, let's see. This one has 46 pieces. Remember, these are not real tiny, but they're not real huge either. We're going to see how long this video takes to do. Hopefully I can do them all. So what we are going to do, it tells you everything you need here by the picture. Oh, or maybe it's 40 pieces. No, that says 46, but this looks like 40. Our instructions are by the picture. We dump our Legos out. Put that there. Put our Lego pieces here. Hopefully it won't take too long. Let's see, what do we have? 2 long ones? No, we need 1 long one. Where is that the one? We need 3 of these. 1. Where are they? 2. Nope, that's not it. That's not it. Well, says I need 3 of them. 1, 2. Sad part is I don't see 3. Oh, now I'm itching. But it says there's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Making sure it's not stuck to something. Okay, there it is. It was upside down. Okay, so we just stick these on the bottom, it looks like. They're a little bit hard to snap in, but a child should be able to do this, I think, without any problem. Okay, and then we need 3 of these. So I'm going to guess that can't go that way. Okay, hold on. But it doesn't show that it goes this way. So is there a difference? No. Well, that doesn't make sense. But we're going to do this anyway. I swear that's the way it's showing it. But okay, wait a minute. That would be right there. Okay, this one's wrong. Oh. Okay, that one's not right. Nope. Nope. There we go. There is a difference in the way they are, so you got to be careful. And we take another long bar. I hope everybody's having a great day, doing really, really good. Thank you for letting me be a part of your day. Thank you for returning. If you're new, welcome. We're glad you are here. Why do you not want to go on? Like I said, these are a little fiddly. There we go. No, wait a minute. Oops, I put it in the wrong spot. These go here. Come on. Come a stupid thing? There we go, and there. 2, 3, long bar. There we go, not too bad. This 4-piece goes on the end. Don't guess it really matters which way. 1, 2, wait a minute. Can need 2 of these. Where'd the other one go? Oh, it's on there. Oops, is that right? Yeah, okay, those are the same. Those 2 are the same, so. That would go, I guess, this way. Then this one goes here. This one goes in the middle. There we go, not too bad. What are we at? 6 minutes? Maybe not that great either. Hold on a minute, you guys. I'm trying to see something here. So if that one goes, you gotta have a place to put that in. So that would be that way? Yeah, okay. I had it in there wrong. Okay. So this one we put in together like this. Slide that in there, slide that there. Okay, got it. Now let's take that one back out. Put our next one in. Come on, come on. These are little pieces, but I still think if you pay attention, your little one will do this without much problem. There we go, much better. Then we take 2 long ones. Right. Come on. Let's put the 2 long ones together first. Come on. It's like if you tilt them just a little bit, they don't want to go. And you know it's not that hard because they're Legos. There we go. Come on. Oh, really? Of course, now my arthritis wants to act up. So we've got this part. And then we've got pieces on the side. Here we put. Is that right? Looks to be right. Looks to be right. Doesn't feel very secure though. Okay, we don't need, oh, that's for the, oh. I'm going to assume that's a screen. Screen. Oops, upside down. Put it right. Come on, send it. Do it correctly. And the grill and the knob. Just got to find that little grill piece. There we go. Is it the right direction, though? No. Gotta make sure you go the right way, okay? I do believe this is supposed to be the front here. Okay. We got it this way. I've got it backwards. Go figure, dadgummit. Only I could do that. Only I can get it on there and mess it up, y'all. Now, wait a minute. We said that goes up and down. Yeah. Put that back on. Well, we won't try to. Get that back. Get it back. Get it back. Wow, are you kidding me? There we go. There we go. Put that circle down here. I don't like the ends of this. I have a feeling if a little one's to play with this, it would mess it up. Okay. So. Okay. We've got it going this direction. Still that way, so that would mean this would go on here. And which one? This, no, the long one would go here. So it just, yeah, that, I don't know. Okay, so it goes on here. So I had it right in the first place, it looks like. Or I'm not real for sure, y'all. Nope, it's got to go back the other way, which is weird. Because it's like it leaves, I just don't feel it's got enough, but we're going to see. Okay. And then we've got these pieces which go here, 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 and here. Hey, see? That's what I mean. It's like it's just going to fall off. We need something. Then we have this one which goes even with that. We put this one here and this one here. Okay. We've got our red dot which goes in the middle. We have this piece. It looks like it comes with a record, but it doesn't. But that's pretty cool. It does seem to be sturdy. Okay, there's where we're at so far. 2 pieces left. Yeah, okay. Woohoo! Wait a minute. There we go. Oh yeah, so that way it moves up and down. Okay. And then you put it on here. This would work for your Barbies, y'all. Whoops. There you go. That would work perfectly for your Barbie dolls. I think. That's my opinion. It'll work with mine. I don't know about y'all's, but yeah. So there is the record player. Took me about 15 minutes, 46 pieces. That's the only one I'm going to do. I'm not going to do another one. Again, it is the Retro Build Block Tech from Five Below for $1. And there's your 46 pieces. Cute little record player. All right, we'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all take it easy. Have a good day, night, whatever it may be in your part of the world. Remember, sprinkle your love, your joy, your kindness. Change somebody's day as well as your own, okay? Bye, y'all.